Dear students, this is third class English. Okay, so we will talk about the lesson Amazing Ammachi. Ammachi, which means a grandmother. Okay, so grandmothers are called in Tamil Nadu Ammachi, Paati, Achi, whatever. Okay, so now we will let's say lesson. This lesson was simply a stunning story. That was one boy and his grandmother lived in one village. Then now suddenly the boy will like to eat coconut barfi. Okay, so he'll going to ask to her. Then now they will starting the preparation for their ripening coconut. The grandmother picked the coconut like this picture. How easily she was making a machine to ripe the coconut in pulling into the coconut tree. Then they will peel that coconut peels. Then another one is then break that coconut shells, and the boy also will help his grandmother. They'll start preparing the coconut, and finally they have got a coconut barfi. Okay, so this is the lesson. Okay, அதாவது அந்த பையன் வந்து அவனோட கிராண்ட்மதர் வீட்டில் இருக்கான். ஸோ ஒரு டைம் வந்து அவனுக்கு கோகோனட் பர்ஃபி சாப்பிடணும் ஆசையாக இருக்குது. ஸோ வந்து ஆஸ்க் டு ஹிஸ் கிராண்ட்மதர். ஓகே, ஸோ அவங்க வந்து வயசான பாட்டி தான். அவங்க எவ்வளோ ஒரு டேலண்ட்டாக யூஸ் பண்ணி எப்படி மேலே போய் பறித்து அதை எப்படி பீல் பண்ணி அவங்க கிரியேட் பண்ணுறாங்க அப்படின்னு தான் ஸ்டோரி. ஓகே, ஸோ ஜஸ்ட் ரீட் திஸ் லெசன் அட் யுவர் ஹோம் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ். Then we will see the book back answers. Okay, that lesson answers. First one is match the pictures with the words. Okay, so what is this picture? This picture is knife, so the correct word is knife. Match this word. Okay, second one is try, that was this, and coconut, this is coconut, and match this answer coconut. Okay, so we'll going to the B section. Sabari asked his Ammachi to prepare dash. என்ன கேட்டான் அவன்? பர்ஃபி கேட்டான். ஸோ த ஆன்சர் இஸ் பர்ஃபி. ஓகே, தே பிக்டு டேஷ் கோகோனட், ripe coconut. Okay, they poured the barfi all out onto a dash tray. Okay, so the same thing we will see the another part. That was in picture, big picture. இதில் வந்து எத்தனை பேர் இருக்காங்க, யாரெல்லாம் இருக்காங்க? ஓகே, so this boy name is Guna, and Joy, Anwar, Ravi, Jaral, Jeeva, and Rahim, Shiva, and Babu. So Jaral have a big cycle, and Jeeva have a small cycle. Anwar have a one ball, and Ravi home is very near for the bond. Okay, this Guna have going to school. He have a school bag and with a tie shoe. What it is? Then Rahim, Shiva have play with the kites. Okay, so this is the picture. Then we will answer the pictures now here. Whose house is near the pond? Joe's house is near the pond. So likewise we will put it the answer like this one verse. Okay, I'll give the answers, like just copy to your books. Okay students, so just read it. Whose house is far from the pond? Okay, whose house is? The answer is Ravi. Whose bag is this? Who's have a bag? Yeah, Guna have a one bag. Whose bat is this? Yeah, Babu have a one bat. Then whose shirt is red in color? Shiva have a red color shirt. Whose cycle is bigger? Yeah, already I told that. Jalal have a bigger cycle. Whose cycle is small? This is also I told that, and that was Jeeva. Whose ball is this? The ball have by Anwar. Okay, so this is the answer. Just copy to your books students. Thank you.